In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get streaks on TikTok. So let's open up the TikTok app.
Sale price, you've got
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get streaks on TikTok. So let's open up the TikTok app.
two color options.
And then let's click on profile in the right bottom corner. And then when you get to profile, go all the way up to the top right where the three lines are. And then go all the way to the bottom and click on settings and privacy. And then under content and display, scroll until you see notifications. And then under content and display, click on notifications right under it. And then where you see streaks at, make sure that you click the button to turn it on until it turns blue. And then voila, you have TikTok streaks on. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching.